Holy moly, look at this limit with trig functions. Now we're not going to go ahead and plug 0 in everywhere. We would end up with that indeterminate form. Okay, well let's take that trip down memory lane and our current lane. I see that I've got a cosine in the bottom. Up top I've got sine squared. Well, remember when we learned that the sine squared of an angle plus the cosine squared of that same angle was 1. Well, we could rearrange this and say that sine squared of the angle is the same as 1 take away the cosine squared of that angle. I'm going to use that and make a substitution. When I do make that substitution, I'll have cosines everywhere. Okay, so what is this going to look like? The limit as x approaches 0 of 1 minus cosine squared x over x and x cosine x. Well, it's coming together, but it is very slow. Now I'd like to do some canceling. Can't cancel just yet. We need to factor and then cancel. We could factor the top. That 1 is a perfect square. Cosine is squared. We can factor into a sum and a difference. As for the bottom, it does look kind of strange. But there is a GCF, and we could take out that greatest common factor. If you take out the x, who's left behind? That's 1 plus the cosine of x. Alright, now we can do some canceling, and it is proper. What remains is the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 minus cosine x over x, and we have a special trig limit here. Whenever we see this, we say that is 0. That's one of our new properties. So the limit is 0. Who knew?